God, we're in the air.
Yeah, we didn't have much time to take pictures like that.
That's okay.
Yeah. No, this ain't good.
It's just good.
Yeah, you're used to it. Yeah.
Is that how all takeoffs go?
No, it's a little windy today, but, you know, we're trying to get you up.
With the little 100-pound guy holding the balloon. It's not fun.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a little exciting when it's like that.
Yeah, when we get up there, I'm going to be pissed.
Well, I got some water, so if I forget to tell you that we got water.
Okay. I really don't know why I took that picture.
Look over here.
Can we move around okay?
Don't poke them yet. Who's battery? This is awesome.
Yeah, really?
We're covering ground. If it's going this fast when we land, we'll definitely have that number 3 land. So when we do land, though, the thing you want to do is stay to the side or behind.
I know that you know that you'll probably want to land before you get to Centerville because it'll get congested.
Yeah. Oh, let me scope her out.
Well, you got a little bit of, you got some space, but I've just reminded you kind of where your track is.
Yeah, I'm running parallel. I guess that's 48 there where that park is, isn't it? It goes into Centerville, towards Centerville.
Yeah, that's 48.
That looks like it's what I think.
I'm out by the telephone tower. I think I'll probably.
He's not on the side.
Don't take a picture. Stay with me. Cross this road and get away from the wire. They drag a little bit, so I may have to set it down. It's pretty good.
he's in that white van over there. Turn around. Yeah.
So we may brush these trees a little bit, so don't let that freak you out.
Okay.
That's kind of fishy.
Oh yeah. Sorry, Brooke Tree.
Okay, let's just get it stopped. Let's get it down before we get to that fence. Lay it down. Just lay it down, please. No, okay, wait. I want to get away from that fence. I don't want to get any closer to it than we get. All right.
That's the windy lane in that song. Not two lanes. Okay, Zach, come on in here.
That was number 3.
Well,
2.5.
So what I want to do is try to come over this way a little bit.
Why don't you get out and you can help me?
Come over here, and what we need to do is get on this side of the basket, right over there, and then we want to walk that way. We want to just get away from the... Yeah, but see, the trade-off is how far we want.
Yes.
Stand on the other side. So
I think that we're okay, Dad. I think we got room there. I think it's okay to lay it down. What do you think? You think we need to walk anywhere else?
back here.
Yeah, I'll get back here. Don't worry about it. Okay, guys.
Come that way?
Why don't you can get out on this side
Okay.
with this low side. Or you know what? Yeah, go ahead. You can get out.
You want me over here?
Stay here.
Okay.
Real light.
Evans, do you have a flip-flop?
You ready? Here, help me lean the basket over. You can get on out if you want, or you can stay in and I can lay it over on the side that way. What do you want me to do, Dad?
You laying it down?
Yeah, thank you. There you go. That's not
And
so
that
bad.
is how you get out of the balloon, ladies and gentlemen.
Try not to.